We have a question here in the chat from Ezra. Maybe we can help elucidate this. They're asking, does TradeStation offer future ticket for SPX that uses a fixed ticker instead of being forced to change based on contract expectation?
Yeah, I think John actually answered in line here, but we'll answer it in the video here. So the question's a good one. To trade the S&P 500 in futures, the ticker that you would use is either ES or MES for the E-minis or the micro E-minis. If you use the symbol ES1 exclamation mark, it's the continuous contract, meaning that every day that you buy it, you're basically buying the first front contract within the contract expirations for futures. If you do ES2 exclamation mark, that is the second contract in front. So every time you send that symbol to us, we're going to buy the one that's in front, and you will never have to change that symbol with your alert over time because we're always just buying whatever the current front contract is.